Hello everyone, this is LizardBoy1 and welcome back to one of my videos. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade charcoal. And I set up like this, like if you were in the wild. Like I set up some tree stakes, actual stakes. I didn't just cut wood from like Home Depot. But I'm going to do it naturally and it's going to turn up like this charcoal. And at the end, I'm going to show you how useful this charcoal can be. So let's get right onto this video. The first thing you want to do is start this fire like this. So I put leaves to make this fire start growing. Like in the wild, you look for dry stuff. And now we're going to turn it on. And make sure when you put a fire, you want to make sure the sticks are like a teepee. Like that, you want to put dry surfaces under for the fire can rise and burn the wood. So I'll come back to you when I have the fire starting. I want to share something with you. This is really good when you're in the wild to start a fire, because this will save your life one day. This is from palm trees. This comes from palm trees. I'm going to show you where I grab it from. So I have a little mini palm tree here. And as you can see in here, it's all those stuff. It's infested with that material. So that is really, my dog there. That's really good when you're starting in the wild in this. So you want to put it here. Let's get this fire running. So the fire is starting there. Let's hope it goes good. I'm going to blow it. So we just want to keep this fire alive by throwing stuff. So by keeping it alive, you want to throw stuff at it. Dry material, because dry material, and you want to blow it too. Blowing does a great effect when starting fires. So just keep it alive. Keep it alive. Keep it alive. Slowly starting here. So the way this is going to work is we're going to cut this piece of wood. This is organic wood from the forest. We're going to cut it in little pieces. I'll come back to you when I have that. So once you cut these little pieces, you want to put them in your can. Put all the pieces in that can. So it's full to the top. I'm gonna put a lid on it. Put a lid like that. Now we're gonna wait for this to get bigger. So I put more dry leaves. That's gonna burn. I'm gonna put my can in the fire carefully. So that's burning there. I'm gonna put it in the fire like this, so like that. The can is in there. Throw more leaves in there so it can cook. Oh, it's coming. You want to leave that there. in there, burning. So you want to burn this until everything is dead. Everything dies, everything is no more fire because it doesn't have a way to feed itself. So you want to leave everything like that until it burns all the way. So the fire is slowly dying. I got my can hanging in there. I'll be back with you guys when it's dead. So as we can see now, it's pretty much dead. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the can and see the results. I just poured the results in, and this is all charcoal. This is all charcoal. Oh, it's hot since I just burned it. And let me take a look at here. I want to show you guys that this is charcoal as well. When you burn wood in a fireplace, that's charcoal. All that you see there, that's charcoal, guys. So not only I have this, but I have that I created. So yeah, this is the charcoal also that I created here. You can use that. Now I'm going to show you how to put this charcoal in practice. So stay tuned. So normally I would use a metal sparkler, that one that they sell in the store for survival, that you spark it and make that, but for video purposes I'm going to use this quick starter. So I'm going to come back to you when it's starting. Let me get started right now. So you see this. You want to blow it and watch. Once you have it there, you blow it and it becomes you see red stuff. Now we're gonna put it in here and pinch it in there. We're gonna keep blowing to show you guys what happens. So I started blowing it and blowing it. Look what happened. See, it's a quick starter, and that's what I just created today here and over there. So yeah, try this at home and you will see that this works. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you can receive any of my newest videos. There, this is how you create charcoal. Beautiful charcoal here. I have a big piece here that I got from the fire. Yep, this is how you create charcoal. Thanks for watching.